Hello, welcome to my live stream today. This is Pinky Science Academy, and we are going to discuss some few questions in biology form 1. We are going to start with some definition words. And the first question that you are given there, you are told to define the following terms. The first one is botany. So you say that botany is the study of plants, while zoology is the study of animals. Then another term that you are given the term genetics. So genetics, we say it's the study of inheritance and variation. How you inherit certain features from your parents and how they are they are transmitted from generation to generation. Another term that you are given is ecology. And ecology, we say it's the study of an organism and their surrounding or their environments. The other term is cytology. Cytology, we say it's the study of cells. Entomology is the study of insects and their control. Then there is another term which is the anatomy, which is the study of internal structures of an organism. And then there is another term that is biochemistry. It is the study of the chemical composition of an organism. Taxonomy is sorting of organism into groups. Histology is the study of structures of tissues. Another question that you're given here is explain the importance of studying biology. Explain the importance of studying biology. So you study biology because it's a career subject. It helps you to gain a career. You can become a doctor in pharmacy, in medicine. So biology is important in those careers. Biology also helps to solve environmental problems such as drought, famine. Another question that you're given here is list 4 environmental problems that are solved by studying biology. List 4 environmental problems that are solved by studying biology. One is management of resources. There is a problem of drought and famine, the problem of global warming. It's also solved by studying biology. And then management of resources such as internal treaties through the treaties like CITES, which is Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species. Then careers that require biology, I think I've already covered that. The importance of the following. Nutrition. Nutrition is important in an organism because the organism is able to acquire and utilize the nutrients that it has. Because when you eat, you gain energy, or food that you eat, then you can break down those food. In the process of respiration, you gain energy for movement, so it enables you to utilize nutrients. Respiration enables you to get energy because it's through respiration that food is chemically broken down to release energy. Importance of gas exchange, it helps to eliminate the waste gases such as carbon dioxide from the body, and also it supplies the tissues with oxygen that is very much needed in the process of respiration. Excretion helps you remove waste products from the body of an organism, and also it helps you remove substances that are in excess of requirement. It also helps to remove substances that are toxic to the cells. Growth and development. Uh, Growth and development is important because you know how organisms develop. You understand the developmental stages of a living organism, all the way from when it is one cell to the time that it becomes a complex organism. Reproduction, it's important because it makes organisms uh, give rise to other organisms of the same kind. It enables continuity of generation, and it makes sure that a certain species of animals or plants is not eliminated completely. Irritability, which is it's the way that you sense surrounding, you detect change in environment and you react to it. Irritability is important because it helps you to maybe escape danger. Maybe when you are being pricked by a needle, you are able to escape danger. And also when you're burnt by an object, maybe fire, you are able to run away from it. Movement, it enables you to gather resources. You move in search of food, you move in search of mates, you move in escaping danger like predators. You also move maybe to escape from natural calamities. So as you move, you are able to escape from those things. Here you are told that another question you're given, a car or an aeroplane is able to move from one place to another and give exhaust gases, but it is not classified as a living organism. Explain. A car cannot be classified as a living organism, though it moves, yes, but can a car reproduce? It does not reproduce. So that means it is not a living organism. It does not reproduce. It does not grow. It does not develop. So no growth and development, no reproduction, and therefore it is not classified as a living organism. How does nutrition differ in plants and animals? Nutrition in plant, it's autotrophic, meaning that they make their own food. While in animals, nutrition, we say that they are heterotrophic. That means that they depend on already made food. Another question is, list the characteristics of living organisms that are specific to plant, and the ones that are specific to animals. Of course, we say animals move, animals reproduce, animals excrete, animals exchange gases. Yes, for the plants, plants they reproduce, growth is on the meristematic tissues, they make their own food. So there is a photograph there that is showing living organisms. It's showing small chicks. You're told to study it and answer the question that follows. You're told to state two characteristics of living organisms that are illustrated in the photograph. These chicks, they seem like they are feeling cold. That means they have irritability, the ability to detect change to the environment. And then there is an egg there, so it means it has hatched. That means that reproduction is taking place. Precautions when correcting specimen. You should always correct specimen that you need. Do not correct a lot of it and you're not using it. Another thing, You should also you should not harm the specimen that you are correcting. Do not harm the specimen. After use, return the specimen to their environment. The live specimen, you should return them to their environment. And another precaution is the highly mobile organisms. You can make them less mobile by use of certain chemicals. Name a suitable apparatus that is used to correct the following specimen for study in the lab. A rat, a millipede, fish, and ants. A rat, you should use a bait trap. A fish, you should use fish net. Crab, it's also a small animal that is found in water, so you can use a fish net also. Ants, you can hold it using a pair of forceps because they sting. Centipede, you can also use a pair of forceps. You can use a pair of forceps. So then you are given some apparatus. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle, you should also use a pair of forceps. Then there are diagrams showing photos of apparatus. One is a bait trap, another one is a pitfall trap, and the other one is a sweep net. You're supposed to name and give the function of it. A sweep net is used to trap flying insects. Pitfall trap is used to catch small crawling animals, and then a bait trap is used to catch small animals. Giving reason in each case, name the cell organelle abundant in the following cells. The palisade cell, of course, it will have a lot of chloroplast, the ones that are necessary for making food. Palisade cells, they are present in plant cells. Skeletal muscle cell, you should have a lot of muscle. Muscle cell should also have mitochondria to generate energy. Salivary gland, you should have what? Saliva producing cells. The cell organelles that should be